Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and today we are doing a makeup tutorial. I'm doing a green eyeshadow. This look I'm creating in this video, and it's a glittery green smoky kind of eyeshadow, and like I was wearing this like top, so I thought कि ठीक है चलो green eyeshadow look create करते हैं. And it's a makeup tutorial that is very easy to do. Like कुछ 3-4 आई शेडोज को यूज करके आई अचीव दिस लुक एंड दिस लुक्स प्रिटी लाइक नाइस. आई लाइक इट. इफ यू लाइक दिस look on me, then do continue watching. We'll jump into the video without wasting any more time. So guys, I have already prepped my skin, shaving, skincare, everything is sorted. So I will quickly start with this purely just a makeup tutorial, old school makeup tutorial. मैंने कितने टाइम से शायद एक प्रॉपर मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल नहीं करा. So this is the primer I am using, Lakme. I really like this one. So I will take little bit at the back of my hand. So I will take little bit on my finger and I will apply it on my face. I am using this foundation. This is K Beauty's foundation. I bought it recently and how I love this. It's full coverage, like quite thick like I want. तो मैं बहुत थोड़ा सा ही लूँगी and I will like spread it all over my face के पूरा evenly हो जाए. Will quickly blend everything. This is such a gorgeous like shade. Will apply this concealer. This is my ultimate favorite. I have now done 2 videos on concealer on my channel, so you guys can check out like there I'm telling you how you can, which concealers are best according to like me, as per my opinion, which I like the most. Blend everything. Highlight my face. I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind. मैं बहुत थोड़ा सा ही लूँगी because it's like quite heavy duty, like what I think. Blend. बहुत रोशनी आ रही थी तो like मैंने curtains कर दिए हैं. You guys should be able to. Setting my face, I'm using this like powder. It's Revolution, Makeup Revolution. I am using this powder after such a long time and like this is such a nice product. तो थोड़ा सा मैं कैप पे ले लूँगी. I have taken this Flower Beauty pencil and will do my. This is such a beautiful pencil. बस एक बात थोड़ा मुझे लगती है कि like it's little bit more creamy. तो कभी कभी ना if you are a beginner तो थोड़ा सा like it will get like it might slip. So yeah, but other than that, beautiful like pencil. Like I did my eyebrows with it. I'm quite happy with it. I am planning to do some green eyeshadow look. I have never done green eyeshadow look on my channel. I'm super excited because I want to play with more colors and like make it is a green eyeshadow look, but it will be quite wearable. So for my base or transition shades, I am using the Swiss Beauty palette. This is such a beautiful palette. I will take this color. It's somewhat similar to my skin tone. So I will take it on this big fluffy brush, tap off the excess and will like cover my full lid and like base with this, like give a boost of like little bit of tint to my base. लूना तो मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं है, मतलब कि कैसे. आई नो दैट आई वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट समथिंग लाइक ग्रीन, बट हाँ थोड़ा सा सेम ब्रश आई एम यूजिंग एंड आई एम प्लेसिंग इट ऑन माई लिड. सो यू नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट ये ना यहीं तक रहे. इट डजेंट रीच योर लाइक आईब्रो. थोड़ा सा जैसे एज यू कैन सी दैट आई हैव लिटिल बिट ऑफ गैप, so that should be there. What I will do, I will take this very bright like brown color and will take it on the tip of my brush, will tap off the excess and will like pat the color inside my crease. As you can see, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे ना अपने को हार्श लग रहा है. Then what I will do, I will take the same brush which I had with no extra product on it and will take it and very softly blend it. Like what I'm planning to do, I'm planning to take this orangish color and like will take this dense brush. See, it's like very thick, so these kind of brushes are used to pack on the pigmentation. So I will like take it like this and will take little bit on the tip of the brush, tap off the excess and will place it in the lid. See how beautiful it is looking. If you are happy with the pigmentation right now which is giving, it's fine, because we are planning to place green color on our lid and this orange color will peek through. It will be a beautiful transition from green, orange, then brown to very light skin kind of color gradient effect I'm planning to create. So yeah, I'm like, I will keep it till this only. I will not add more pigment. We'll see once we are placing green then how much orange we want to add. Back to this gorgeous palette, because this palette के अंदर ना बहुत beautiful colors है. I think like एक palette ले लो तो you are sorted for life, and it is somewhere around 650 rupees. And आपको इसके अंदर इतने सारे colors मिलेंगे. Like this is so pretty. So what I'm thinking, I will place this like green color onto my lid, and I will like first take a little bit on my finger. यहाँ ना palette में ये blue लग रहा है, but on screen it's like coming as a green color. This is coming like a bluish green. This is proper green. So with my top, I'm thinking I will go for this greenish, like pinkish, bluish greenish kind of color. Will take with my finger only. God, guys, this is so pigmented. As you guys see that I have placed the green color onto my lid, and there is little bit messiness over here. So what we'll do, we'll take this brush where I had this orange color without any extra product. I will place it in middle and will blend everything so there is nothing messy or harsh line in between. Will take this big fluffy brush, and what I will do with this Swiss Beauty palette, मैं ना इसको थोड़ा सा will clean up this area. ये सब तो ठीक लग रहा है, but like this looks little bit out of place. So we'll like, now wait, the look is not over yet, that we still need to place something on our lid, and I'm looking at this gorgeous pressed glitter and I can't wait to use it on my lid. This looks so pretty. So like you have to be very careful these with this pressed kind of. This big fluffy brush and थोड़ा सा ना इधर clean कर लेंगे. Take this very like thick fluffy, not fluffy, dense brush, and we'll take this brown eyeshadow and will place it on my lower lash line. Do a very thin line of eyeliner. For that I am using this Maybelline like eyeliner, a very thin line. Recently bought this Nykaa's kajal, and this is so pigmented, so buttery, so creamy and so beautiful. Will like place it in my waterline. Will curl my lashes. Will apply mascara to my eyes. I have popped on some lashes, and इसको लगाने में भी मुझे थोड़ा time लग गया, but like less than what I usually used to take. Now we'll move on to the bronzer. My bronzer, I'm using this Hoola bronzer. I really love this bronzer. It's so beautiful, guys. Like it's little bit expensive, but if you can save and invest in one, then I will highly recommend this one, because this has become my favorite. Like obviously it's a cult favorite product. Blush, I am using this. मैंने अभी ये कुछ products recently खरीदे हैं, and I did first impressions video as well. अगर आप लोगों ने check नहीं करा है तो you guys can definitely check this. Like this is such a beautiful and pigmented like blush. So be careful. But इसका ना ब्यूटी है कि इवन इफ इट्स पिगमेंटेड बट ये ना आपके फेस पे बहुत अच्छा लाइक रेजिड्यू छोड़ता है. डजेंट लुक टू मच. इवन थोड़ा सा अगर आप ज़्यादा भी उठाते हो ना तो भी लाइक इट्स रियली वेरी प्रिटी. एंड दिस कैन बी यूज एज अ ब्यूटिफुल लाइक बेस फॉर योर आई शेडो. जस्ट हैविंग अ थॉट, सो आई थॉट विल शेयर इट विद यू गाइज. माई हाईलाइटर आई एम यूजिंग दिस स्विस ब्यूटी. ये भी मैंने अभी ही खरीदा था. तो आई विल यूज दिस गोल्डन काइंड ऑफ like to add little something. I'm not happy with this like particular highlighter because I heard so much about this and I'm like Swiss Beauty के highlighters I have heard के बहुत अच्छे होते हैं but I'm not able to see that much. I'm done with the base and everything. Bronzer वगैरह सब कर लिया. So I will set my face using this makeup Fix Plus. It's from Swiss Beauty. Beautiful product by them. Another beautiful product. So we'll take the sponge and we'll like melt everything together because this is so beautiful ना. आपका सारा मेकअप एक साथ मेल्ट होके इट विल लुक पुट टुगेदर. एंड आई एम थिंकिंग के व्हाट लाइक lipstick shade should I go for? Should I go for bold or like should I go for like much subtle one? So I'm thinking for this video I will keep a little bit of nude color. I recently purchased this Nykaa like lipstick and it's lit, it's smooth and this is such a beautiful coffee kind of color, like nude color, and this looks so beautiful. So this is it guys. I hope this green eyeshadow makeup look you liked. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. I need your support. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, take care.